James Dolan, ladies and gentlemen. James Dolan. You know, I gotta tell you guys, this is my first time performing here, and I'd like to say that I've only gotten to know James for a very short period of time. Most of you have already probably known him for a while, but I gotta tell you, he is not only a fantastic musician and musical genius and plays a lot of great things, but he is like one of the nicest guys you'll ever meet, and it's a pleasure for me to be working with him. And yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Oh, not really? Well, there's always a first. Well, this next song we're gonna do is actually the first song we actually recorded for a demo. We are trying to create a band called Love Grows, and it's still in, you know, what's that word? We're still in progress, kind of. It's still being developed, as I would say. But the next song we're gonna do is one of my favorites that he wrote himself, because most of his original stuff is like unbelievable. He's a fantastic songwriter and a musical genius, like I said in the beginning. And this song is like a lot of fun to play because it has such a groove to it and it's so original. And the song that we're gonna do is our last song is Victoria. Enjoy.
In the caves of his youth, the sun filters in, streaming through the walls of the mountain. His mother speaks, his father gone, she has not but him. His quest begins. Donning a helmet, his head barely fit in. The shoes are green, his feet cut off, wash away his sin and travel again. Victoria, you're all he wish she had. His debt to you and armor, he tackles my life. Beauty to a nation, he took his finest thing for his friend. Neck craned over shoulder, his heart had grown too dim. He may never walk those walls or stroke her ever again. Onwards he thought, nothing he can prove. His life will be better, he starts with you. Went in the forest, his light had grown too dim. Lost in his mind, his sort of cry battle will begin. This man has died.